Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add new members to Jotform Teams. This is a straightforward process that allows you to expand your team's collaboration capabilities and bring more people into your workspace. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. Enter your email address and password to access your Jotform account. This will bring you to your main dashboard where all your forms and team workspaces are organized. Now direct your attention to the left panel of your screen. Here you'll see various navigation options, including your forms, tables, and importantly, your team workspaces. Look for the section labeled Team Workspaces and click on it. This will display all the team workspaces you're currently part of or have created from this list. Select your preferred team workspace, the one where you want to add new members. Once you've selected the team, you'll notice 3 dots appear next to the team name. These dots represent additional options and settings for that specific workspace. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu, then from the available options, select Team Workspace. This action will take you to the detailed settings and management page for your chosen team. On the Team Workspace page, shift your focus to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll find a button labeled Plus Invite. This is your gateway to adding new team members. Click on this button and a menu will appear with different invitation options. From this menu, select Contact Sales. This option is necessary for expanding your team capacity or upgrading your membership plan to accommodate additional users. After clicking Contact Sales, a form will appear requesting some information from you. You'll need to provide necessary details such as your company email address and your job title. These details help Jotform understand your business needs and provide appropriate solutions for your team expansion. Fill in all the required fields accurately to ensure smooth processing of your request. Once you've entered all the necessary information, look for the Contact Sales button at the bottom of the form and click it. This will submit your request to the Jotform sales team, who will then reach out to you with options for adding more members to your team workspace. And that's how you initiate the process of adding new members to your Jotform teams. The sales team will guide you through the final steps to expand your team. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.